In this lesson, we are going to look at the detailed internal structure of a cross-section through a leaf to show the variety of different plant tissues and their functions. In class, we would normally use the bioviewers to look at a magnified image of a leaf. Here on the right, we can see a cross-section through a leaf diagram. If we start from the top down, the very top layer is a waxy cuticle. This is to prevent water loss. Directly underneath this is a transparent upper epidermis. This does not contain chloroplasts to maximise the amount of light that can enter the leaf and into the main photosynthetic layer below, the Palisade Mesophyll. So this main photosynthetic layer, called the Palisade Mesophyll or sometimes just Palisade layer, the cells are jammed in vertically to maximise photosynthesis, so each cell receives an equal light intensity and has the most chloroplasts of all the different tissues in the leaf. Sometimes you can actually see the chloroplasts all congregating near the top part of the Palisade cell where light intensity is at its strongest. The layer underneath this is called the Spongy mesophyll layer. It has lots of air spaces between the cells. This helps to increase the surface area, and so that maximises gases such as carbon dioxide and water vapour diffusing into the cells for photosynthesis during the day, and oxygen being able to diffuse out into the spaces, as well as water vapour diffusing out into these air spaces and then being lost out through the stoma in transpiration, which we will cover later. On the bottom surface, we have a lower epidermis, and every now and then we can see there are holes. These are called the stoma or stomata. The holes are surrounded by two guard cells, which we'll look at in the next lesson. These allow gases to pass in and out of the leaf. Here we can see the labelled cross-section. See if you can label your cross-section through a leaf, which is on page 5 in your booklets. And at the bottom of the page, on page 5, I design an ideal leaf that would maximise photosynthesis. Finally, pages 6 and 7 help you to summarise what you have learned about the structure of the leaf. And the answers are within the PowerPoints too.